All right, get ready, because in 2026, the rulebook for your retirement savings is getting a huge rewrite. Today, we're going to break down the three biggest changes that could seriously boost your nest egg and give you a lot more flexibility when you need it most.
So let me just kick this off with a big question. For those of you who are getting close to retirement, what if a new rule could let you add an extra $11,250 to your 401k this year? Well, believe it or not, starting in 2026, that's going to be a reality for a certain group of savers.
So where's all this coming from? It's from a massive piece of legislation called the Secure 2.0 Act. And honestly, the best way to think about it is like a major software update for the entire American retirement system. And it's all designed to help people save more effectively.
Okay, so we're going to focus on three really game-changing updates hitting in 2026. First, there's a super catch-up for anyone who feels like they're playing from behind. Then a new Roth rule for higher earners. And finally, a much smarter way to handle those long-term care costs. You'll see, each one is designed to tackle a really common retirement headache.
All right, first up, let's talk about that feeling, that nagging fear that maybe you haven't saved enough. We've all been there, right? Well, Secure 2.0 is introducing this powerful new tool called the Super Catch-up, specifically for people who feel like they need to make up for lost time. So what's the deal with this Super Catch-up? Basically, it gives savers who are 60, 61, 62, and 63 a special 4-year window to just slam the accelerator on their contributions right before they hit the retirement finish line. It's a really powerful, but also very specific opportunity. And the impact? Oh, it's huge. For those of you in that 4-year sweet spot, your total potential 401k contribution for the year could jump to this stunning number, $35,750. I mean, wow.
Okay, so how in the world do you get to a number that big? Let's break it down. It all starts with your regular base contribution. Then you add the standard catch-up that you've been able to do since you turned 50. And then, and this is the new part, this super catch-up stacks an extra $11,250 right on top. That is a massive boost right when you need it most.
Okay, so we've covered how you can put more money in. Now let's switch gears and talk about a new rule that changes how some of you will contribute. This one is specifically for high earners, and it's meant to solve a really common problem, avoiding a tax bomb in retirement from a huge pre-tax nest egg.
So, here's the magic number you need to know. Starting in 2026, if your wages from the previous year, so we're talking about your 2025 income, were over $150,000, the rules for your catch-up contributions are about to change. From now on, they'll have to go into a Roth account.
And this forces a pretty big shift in strategy, you know? Instead of getting a tax deduction on those catch-up contributions now, you'll pay the tax up front by putting it into a Roth account. But, and this is the huge payoff, when you go to take that money out in retirement, it will be completely 100% tax-free.
Now, at first glance, this might sound like a bad thing, right? Like a limitation. But as this great quote from Davies Wealth Management points out, it can actually be a massive strategic advantage. It's basically forcing you to build up a pot of tax-free money for retirement, and that can be incredibly valuable, especially if you think your taxes might be the same or even higher down the road.
All right, let's move on to our third and final big change. This one tackles one of the single biggest anxieties in retirement planning, the absolutely staggering cost of long-term care. So, the Secure 2.0 Act is creating a brand new lifeline here. You'll soon be able to take money out of your retirement funds to pay for your long-term care insurance premiums without getting hit with that dreaded 10% early withdrawal penalty. Now, you'll still owe income tax on it, but avoiding that extra penalty is a huge relief.
Okay, so as you'd expect, there are some limits. The penalty-free amount you can take out is the lowest of these three numbers, what you're actually paying for the premium, 10% of your vested account balance, you know, the money that's officially yours, or $2,500, which will be adjusted for inflation. This formula just makes funding this super important insurance a lot more doable for people.
Okay, so we've covered these three powerful new tools. The big question now is, what do you do with this information? How do you actually get ready to take advantage of these changes when 2026 finally rolls around?
Well, here's a simple 5-step action plan to get you started. First things first, check with your employer. Make sure they're actually adopting these new provisions. Second, take a hard look at your income and figure out if that new Roth rule is going to apply to you. Third, and this is a big one, if you're in that 60 to 63 age bracket, start planning now to max out that super catch-up. Fourth, it's always a good idea to review your overall estate plan and see how all this fits in.
And finally, hey, it never hurts to run this by a financial professional just to make sure you're seeing the whole picture.
The rules are definitely changing, opening up some really powerful new ways to turbocharge your savings and lock in your future. The only question left is, which of these new tools will you use to upgrade your retirement plan?